Today we're going to make Cantonese beef with egg sauce. And that's the beef we're going to use. You can cut up a big chunk of beef or steak or anything, but I use this is already cut up real thin slice or thin strip like that. I'm going to use about 12 ounces, so I just pick how much we need. 1 teaspoon of soy sauce in it, and a little bit of water. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. So you mix them on. So, and also a little white pepper. Just sprinkle some of it in. Okay, so we're gonna add 1 more tablespoon of soy sauce in it. And you can see the texture like that, you know. So you let it marinate them for a few minutes. Okay, we're gonna use our 4 eggs. 4 eggs. We have to put some little salt in it, just a little bit. Don't have to be a lot. Yeah. Okay, so a little white pepper too. Gonna mix them up. Okay, it's ready, so we can start cooking. We can start cooking the beef. All right, then we put 3 tablespoons of oil in it. All right. Bang it up. Oh, these look pretty good. This meat look pretty good. Alright, then we scoop them up. Okay, after that, we're gonna put a little bit more tablespoon of oil in it. Alright, then first you have to put a little garlic in it, half tablespoon, and also a little onions. I think we need another tablespoon of oil in it, so you can see some on the pan. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce in it. 1 serving rice wine. Okay, cup. You put 1 cup of water in. So you wait until you're boiling. See, then you're gonna ready to use some water to put a couple 2 tablespoons of cornstarch in it. And also we're gonna put 2 sesame seed oil in it, 2 tablespoons sesame seed oil. And after that, we're gonna put kind of thicken up really little bit. I mean, real light, just real light gravy in it. you have to wait until they boiling a little bit so you can tell exactly how thick they are. So that's about right. Maybe just a little bit. So okay, like that. Then now you're gonna start putting the eggs in it. And after that, you put the beef in it. Also some onion, green onion. I think that's it. Then it's done. Okay, we're gonna put some onion on top. Okay, this is Cantonese beef with egg sauce.